I look like a little behind kid. Hi, my name's Robin. Hi, I'm Robin. Hi, I'm Robin. What's your name? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Robin, back with another video. Today is kind of unorthodox, unplanned, and I just wanted to get ready with you guys. So I am getting ready to get myself together to go out the door. However, I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this natural little pony. So this is my natural hair, and I just put it up in this little messy little ponytail. Y'all gonna see a hot mess, but stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look. Right now I just have my hair in its natural state. I took a shower this morning and just had it in a loose ponytail and just kind of let the steam from the shower get to it. So that gave it this, and I just put it up in a clip like so, and this is what we got. But I want to wear my hair out fresh, my curls out and pretty, so we're going to refresh it and y'all are going to help me, okay? So I really only use 3 things to do this: a water bottle, water, and some leave-in conditioner. Then I use the Mielle Rice Water Collection moisturizing milk. And lastly, the Mielle Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. So those are the 3 things I'm going to use. So we're going to take this clip down. And this is what we got, y'all. A mess. Oh, mess. Oh, mess, okay? It smells good. So we're just going to start off by getting the hair wet. To get my hair back the way it was, I do brush the front down, and I use some of the Rice Water Collection product by Mielle. So I did do that this morning as well. I'm just spraying it, as you can see, to get it nice and wet. Just so I can kind of refresh. And I probably have to wear it back because, I don't know, I don't want to wet the front up too much. But we'll see. We will see what we can do with it and how we're going to style it. Maybe I should get me a towel. What y'all think? Guess? I'll wrap this around my shoulders. Alright. There we go. Unless my hair tends to dry pretty quickly, so it won't be a problem because it is still cold where I live. So I could just do a wash and go. I have more than enough time to let my hair air dry, but I wanted to show y'all this. So here we are. So you see how the curls are starting to come back, and that's what we wanted. All right. So I'm just going to take the towel and wring out some of the excess water that got in there. But I also need to spray a few pieces. So you see these pieces at the bottom need to be sprayed. Spray and scrunch. I'm going to take the Daily Styling Cream. Whoa. That's kind of hard to get out. Ew, look at that. You can tell I haven't had my hair like this in a while because it had that little hard piece in it. Alright, Mielle. I love your products, but why is this so hard? Alright, we got about this much here. And I'm just going to put that all in the back. Like so, like that. And I'm thinking about how to style it. This is real time with y'all because I kind of want to put it up because it's looking weird because it's like a refresh. You see how the bottom is like not. Yeah, I think I want to put it up in like a loose pony. That's what we're going to do. All right, so I have this black elastic band, and I'm just going to pull it all up. I'm looking in my mirror. Y'all know I have that mirror to my right. But I want it to kind of be like a messy situation. Can y'all see me? Hold on. There we go. I want it to kind of be like a messy situation. So I got the 2 little pieces hanging. And I probably should just left it in the clip because that's like what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull it up, and I'm gonna put this little band on it, but like loosely. There we go. Now, it doesn't look like much right now because it's wet, super wet. Once this bad boy starts to really dry and get bigger and bigger and bigger, it's gonna be super cute. So yeah, I am going to just wet my hand like that so that I can put a little something on these little pieces so they can curl up. Bam. Hold on. Bam. And then this side. Bam. Okay. And then make sure these little pieces are curly. And then it's kind of like a messy curly bun situation. I'm trying to decide if I want to brush this up a little bit neater like this, you know what I mean, versus having it down, and I think I do. So I'm gonna grab me a brush. Today everything has been real and raw because it's like I don't know what I want to do, so I've just been doing it right on camera with y'all. All right, so I grabbed my hard brush and my soft brush. You know me, you know I have to have both. And there we go. Now I think I'm liking it better. Let's get the brush, the back all done. All right, okay. Okay, I see you, girl. Eek. There we go. All right, y'all. Bam. I'll pull it to the front some. And I'm gonna let it dry. And that's probably it. So this is what it's looking like. What y'all think? It's not ready yet, y'all, so don't be like, no, it's not ready all the way yet. Gotta kind of like let it dry a little bit. You kind of just gotta keep playing with it until you get it the way you like it, but I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll check back in so y'all can see what it looks like. Y'all saw it at the beginning. That was basically the final look of what we're given. But yeah, what do y'all think about my little messy bun? I do have another ponytail thingy here, so I could kind of take it and really put it into a bun. That might be cute too. Put it in a little bun situation. All of that, I put all that product and all of that stuff just to put it in a bun? For real? For reals? That looks kind of cute. We could kind of live with this. Child, I be looking so childish when I wear my hair in its natural state. So childish, so childish. I'm just using a little bit of my edge booster, edge control to. I had some flyaways. I'm like a bird. I fly away. Alright, so what do y'all think? Do y'all think I should just left it out? I don't know. Y'all help me. I think it's kind of cute. I look like a little behind kid. Hi, my name's Robin. Hi, I'm Robin. Hi, I'm Robin. What's your name? But yeah, so these are the products that we use to achieve our little look. I really need to do a Mielle video, huh? I love her products, baby. Alright, so that is it for the video, y'all. I started to put it in a bun, as you saw, and I decided to take it out because it started to dry and kind of get cute. So this is what we're working with here. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Y'all, give me some options. Give me some ideas of what I can do with my hair, my natural hair. It's still kind of cold outside, so I really don't want to do the wash and go thing. But just give me some ideas. Until I get my hair braided, we gotta just come up with some stuff, because remember, we want to do no heat or low heat. So if you did enjoy this video, like I said, give me a thumbs up. Always make sure that you're subscribed so you can continue to see videos from me, and make sure you click that little notification bell so that you never miss a video as well. All right, y'all, I will talk to you on the next video. I'm so glad you could join me today, and I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much. Bye.